Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and create a simple function in Python that will help us to fill in lists with numbers. Alright, so this function is going to help us to fill in some numbers inside a list, and we're going to be random numbers. Therefore, let's go ahead and say from random, let's go ahead and import random, and then let's go ahead and create a function of div and let that name be list underscore fill. So it's going to take some arguments, and let the first one be, let's say, first. Next one is a quantity. Next one is a mini, that is the minimum and the maximum. Then we go ahead and use a for loop and say for I in range of quantity. So for I in range of quantity, go ahead and say first dot append. So first dot append, you go ahead and say round it with parameters of minimum, that is mini, and maxi, mini and maxi. Then we go ahead and say, let's go ahead and create minimum equal to integer. So we're going to request user to give us the input. So go ahead and say int, I want to say insert minimum value. Alright, so insert minimum value, and then for maximum I'll go ahead and say int, because it's gonna be integer values. Go ahead and say insert maximum value. Alright, so we're going to get the maximum and the minimum value from the user, and then you go ahead and get num, that is the quantity, and go ahead and say int, and then pass in the value. I'll go ahead and say number of elements. So number of elements we want to print, and let x be equal to empty elements, and then list fill is going to take argument of x, then num, the next one is minimum, and the last one is the maximum that will be inserted. So go ahead and print x. Alright, so now we go ahead and run this code. Insert minimum value. So let minimum value be 3, and let maximum value be 99, and the number of elements I want to print up to 20. So check it out, and can see that it printed up to 20. So these are up to 20. Let's go ahead and run again. So I will show you different one. Let's say the minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is 5, and the number of elements is 10 only. Check it out, only 10 of them are printed, and the maximum you can get here is 5. Okay, and that is 0 to 5 only. Now let's say the insert minimum 1 and let maximum be 3, and number of elements 20. Check it out, it printed only 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and in random form. Can you see that? Working out very sweet. The code is just ready before you. Go ahead and pull it down on your own system and play around with it, and in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.